Hey, it's Val and Sauce, and we are here to show you a couple quick ways that you can get started English paper piecing. And you have to say it really, really fast. Okay. So
EPP for short.
EPP. I like to glue based mine. So if you come on in here, I'm gonna put a little glue on. I've cut my shape so it's right around the hex. It doesn't have to be exact. Boom, and you glue stick that baby. Now,
I like to thread based because I do not like my paper to fall out at all, so I get nervous. This way I know they're not coming out. I paper clip around the 3 edges, so you can see this one's paper clipped. Then I've got my needle and thread, and I'm gonna fold down, and I'll do a couple stitches on each side of the hexagon, come up in the middle, go back down on the corner, and I do that all the way around until it looks like this. And then you've got
another
needle here. Got this one, and we're just going to sew them together so we know we like how they look. We're going to put them on top of each other and line them up. Get my thread there. I like to go right in the very tip of the corner. At the beginning, I'll take 2 stitches as well, just to make sure that I've got it nice and secured.
Keeps that corner.
And then I take little tiny, probably too many. You don't have to take as many stitches as I do, but I take little whip stitches all the way down. When I get to the end, I'll do 2 stitches in a row again and knot it, pass my needle through, and when you open it up, it'll be all stitched together like this, and you don't see any stitches on the top.
And here's mine, which is a little wrinkled, but you can see how they've come together. I have this one so when you start getting sections like this, I have this sewn, and then I'm gonna sew this side, and then I'm gonna go over there. And if you look on the back, when you have all sides surrounded, you can take your paper out if you want to.
Or you can leave it until the very end like me.
All right, thank you everyone.